guys, I'm going to be unboxing a flip phone. मैले चाहिँ इन्स्टाग्राममा यो फ्लिप फोनको एड देखेँ and I was like, I need this. So let's unbox. Bontel Honey. 3,000 rupees. 3K परे यसको. Anyway, let's unbox this. I'm scared. I'm nervous. What is this? Phone झुन्डाउने. I look like some company मा काम गर्ने. Charger. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a battery. Look at this battery. Kati cute ke? Now, drum roll. Let's take the baby out. Kati sano. Are you serious? It says you are my honey. Let's flip. Oh my god. Bontel यहाँ पर लिखेगा सा. But look at this, bro. It's so cute. Please don't break. Khule khule. So this is what it looks like. Made in China. Now we are gonna put this little battery inside. Gaya. Charge है ना इसमें. So we're gonna charge it right now. त्यही भएर मैले red लगाएको आज to match the phone. It has a little camera also. Let's see charge गरेर. It is the next day. यो phone मैले हिजो on गर्न खोजे on भएन. I charged the phone for 12 hours straight but still it was not switching on and I texted them on their page and they took forever to reply but they replied. They said battery मा एउटा sticker हुन्छ त्यो निकाल्नु पर्छ अनि मात्रै on हुन्छ. But why wouldn't they tell me this earlier? Right? But we have the phone now and it makes a sound. This has to be the cutest thing. Thank God you're on bio. And the battery lasts so long. And I have my dog in the wallpaper. As you can see. Let me wipe the camera. Camera चाहिँ यति सानो छ नि. So this is the camera quality. Not so good, but tuk-tuk phone ma what do you expect? This is a tuk-tuk phone. But I can't take pictures because it's my memory चाहिन्छ. I can only take one picture. And I took my dog's picture and त्यही हो wallpaper. There are so many apps like messaging, calling, contacts, photos, camera, music, video recorder, videos, recorder, alarm, calculator, calendar, Bluetooth, so many. The best part is this sound. Super satisfying. Now I need to put SIM on the memory card isma so that I can take pictures in my small flip phone. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye. I'm back. So I was gonna make a reel. Just then मलाई एउटा कुरा याद आयो. I can record people without them knowing. Okay, there's somebody really annoying in front of me and I want to record that a-hole's face. How will I do it? No problem. Let me do some touch-up. The sound, yeah, it's coming from my compact. Yeah, this is a very special, rare kind of compact. So, yeah. Job done. Got the footage. Bye. You see, this is a very nice trick. So if you guys want to spy on somebody or secretly record some a-hole, you can buy this. Anyway, I'm gonna go make a reel. yeah, bye. Bye for real this time.